What's up world, Logan here. Hope you are all doing well and staying healthy. Here are 8 apps that will help you through these social distancing times during COVID-19. Need some stress relief from all the COVID-19 madness? Headspace is a meditation and mindfulness app that helps you focus and stay calm. It has hundreds of sessions on physical health, personal growth, stress management, and anxiety relief, which are all designed to help you stress less, focus more, and feel better.
But all you need to do right now is to sit back and relax. So make sure that you're sitting comfortably. I'd actually like you to begin with your eyes open and just taking a big deep breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth.
Can't hit the gym? Fitify got you covered. Fitify is a full body workout app. With over 900 exercises with or without equipment in the app, your daily workout routines are always kept fresh, fun, and effective. You can customize your training plan based on your body type, experience, goal, and time options. There are also separate individual workouts for you to follow. Now, if your favorite stay-in activity involves spending hours binging your favorite movies and TV shows on Netflix, but you're kinda missing your friends by your side, Rave is the app you are looking for. With Rave, not only can you enjoy Netflix in sync with your friends while texting or talking in the in-app chat room, you can also watch videos and listen to music from YouTube, Vimeo, Reddit, and more with people from around the world. With Smule, you can sing solo or duet with people across the globe to millions of songs with music and lyrics. You can even sing duets with major artists on the app. You also have the option to add in audio effects and video filters while you sing along to your favorite karaoke songs. Still missing your friends? Houseparty is a video chatting app that mimics the feel of a small, intimate gathering with a handful of your closest pals. By using a split screen feature, up to 8 participants can chat face to face. Once your friends open the app will alert you that they are in the house and ready to chat so that you can jump right into the conversation. The app even offers built-in games and trivia questions to play along with your friends. With all the shopping done online these days, you gotta keep track of them, huh? Rave automatically syncs with your online purchases to give you accurate up-to-the-minute updates on everything you order across all online retailers, including Amazon, Wish, eBay, Walmart, and more. You can also manually add a delivery by tracking number. With Rave, you can now follow your package's journey with a live interactive map and get notifications every step of the way. Proper hydration is essential, especially in these tough times. Water Drink Reminder, as the name suggests, is an app that reminds you to drink enough water. Just enter a current wake up, and sleep time, and the app will help you determine how much water your body needs every day. Remember to update the app each time you drink a cup of water. Then the app will remind you when it's time for another drink. Lastly, we have Kitchen Stories, an app which contains thousands of free irresistible recipes that appeal to both beginners and experts. In particular, the app includes instructional videos and a cooking mode that guides you through recipes step by step, making it very easy to use. So no more mac and cheese all the time. That's it for now. What other apps are you using during this time? Comments below. Log out.